Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create 3D pop-out effect in Photoshop. First of all, make sure you unlock the background picture that we have here. You have to click on the lock button here to unlock it. Now rename it, give it a name by clicking on it. I will name it phone for the background, and I will convert it to smart object. Now let's place our embedded picture on it. Now let's reduce the opacity to 43% there. Let's reduce the opacity. Now let's set the picture on the phone. Let's set the picture on the phone. Let's set the picture now. Drag the opacity to 100 back. Now convert it to smart object. Well, duplicate the picture by hitting on Ctrl+G. Now unlock all the pictures and select the phone. Go on the tool and select your magic wand tool and select the phone screen. Now select the down layer and create a mask. After then, select the top layer, go to the top here and select the subject. After you selected the subject, create a mask on it. So this is how to create a 3D pop-up effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.